Hey guys, I'm here to help you understand this problem. All right, between 1861 and 1870, Scottish people accounted for approximately what percent of immigrants of the United States from the British Isles? So the first thing we want to know is between 1861 and 1870, so we're looking at this information here. We're looking for what percent, and we're looking for the Scottish people. All right, so when we're talking about a percent, this is a huge standard on the ACT. So if you're going to take the ACT, pay attention. You should have learned this in 8th or 9th grade. Is over of equals percent over 100. Okay, if you have 3 of the 4, you can easily solve for any percentage problem. Okay, so what do we know? So of is the total amount. So in 1861 to 1870, if you add those 3 numbers up, 222,277, 38,769, and 435,778, you get the total. That's the of part. So if we put this number here, I've went ahead and added it up, 696,824. All right, so that's our of part. What is the is part? Okay. Scottish people account for approximately what percent of immigrants? So the Scottish people. So the Scottish people here. So 38,769 goes on top. We're looking for the percent. That's what we don't know. So we're going to call it X over 100. Okay. Now, if you remember, that hopefully this already jogged your memory, but you're going to cross multiply. So you're going to multiply that, and then you're going to multiply those, set them equal, and solve for X. All right. So if you multiply 38,769 by 100, all you're going to do is add 2 zeros. And then you're going to divide that number by the 696,824, and that's going to give your approximate percentage. So if you do that, you should get X is about 5.56%. Now, if you took this number here over this number, that would give you your percent of English people. If you put the bottom number here, that would give you your percent of Ireland, or people from Ireland. So if you add those 3 percentages together, those should equal very close to 100%. It should equal 100%, but when you round these, it may be off just a little bit. But that's a good way to check yourself to see if you're doing it correctly. All right, I hope this is helpful.